pipes and crystals, our next chapter for quantitative aptitude. Now let's first know some concepts. First is inlet. A pipe connected with a tank or a crystal or a reservoir that fills it is known as an inlet. Then we'll talk about outlet. A pipe connected with a tank or crystal or reservoir, emptying it is known as an outlet. Now we'll look at some conditions. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours, then part filled in 1 hour equals to 1 by X. Similarly, if a pipe can empty a tank in Y hours, then part emptied in 1 hour is equal to 1 by Y. Next condition. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, where Y is greater than X, then on opening both the pipes, the net part filled in 1 hour equals to 1 by X minus 1 by Y. Similarly, if a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, where X is greater than Y, then on opening both the pipes, the net part emptied in 1 hour equals to 1 by Y minus 1 by X. Now let's look at some questions. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the 3 pipes are opened. A, B and C discharge chemical solutions P, Q and R respectively. What is the proportion of the solution R in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes? The options are 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11 or 8 by 11. The right option is option B, 6 by 11. Let's see how. Now as given that A, B and C can fill the tank in 30, 20 and 10 minutes respectively, then in 3 minutes the part filled by A, B and C combinedly will be 3 into 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10. That is equal to 3 into 11 by 60 equals to 11 by 20. Now to find out the proportion of our solution, we have to find out the part filled by C in 3 minutes. Now as C can fill the tank in 10 minutes, so the part filled in 3 minutes equals to 3 by 10. So now the ratio of R will be the part filled by only R by the part filled by the entire solution. That is equal to 3 by 10 by 11 by 20. That is equal to 3 by 10 into 20 by 11 equals to 6 by 11. Next question. Pipe A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. If all the 3 pipes are opened together, then the tank will be filled in. The options are 1 hour 13 by 17 hours, 2 hours 8 by 11 hours, 3 hours 9 by 17 hours or 4 hours 1 by 2 hours. The right option is option C, 3 hours 9 by 17 hours. Let's see how. Now as A and B can fill the tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively and C can empty it in 12 hours respectively, then net part filled in 1 hour will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. That is equal to 17 by 60. So the tank will be full in 60 by 17 hours. That is equal to 3 hours 9 by 17 hours. Next question. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of a leak, it took 1 by 3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water of the tank in. The options are 4 hours, 1 by 3 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours or 14 hours. The right option is option D, 14 hours. Let's see how. Now as per the question, work done by the leak in 1 hour equals to 1 by time taken by the pump to fill the tank minus 1 by the total time taken. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7. And the net answer is 1 by 14. Hence the leak will empty the tank in 14 hours. Next question. 2 pipes A and B can fill a crystal in 37 1 by 2 minutes and 45 minutes respectively. Both pipes are opened. The crystal will be filled in just half an hour if B is turned off after. The options are 5 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The right answer is answer B, 9 minutes. Let's see how. Now let B be turned off after X minutes. Then let's take the summation of 2 parts individually. One part is when part filled by A plus B in X minutes plus part filled by only A in 30 minus X minutes. that will be equal to 1. Therefore, part filled by only A plus B in x minutes will be x into 2 by 75 plus 1 by 45 plus part filled by only A in 30 minus x minutes will be 30 minus x into 2 by 75, that is equal to 1. So solving the equation, we are getting x equals to 9. So the required time is 9 minutes. Next question, two pipes can fill a tank in 20 and 24 minutes respectively, and a waste pipe can empty 3 gallons per minute. All the three pipes working together can fill the tank in 15 minutes. The capacity of the tank is 60 gallons, 100 gallons, 120 gallons or 180 gallons. The right option is option C, 120 gallons. Let's see how. Now, as the time taken by the two pipes are 20 and 24 minutes respectively, and time taken by all the three pipes are 15 minutes. So, work done by the waste pipe in 1 minute will be 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 24. That means the total work done by all the three pipes minus the work done by individual two pipes. That is equal to 1 by 15 minus 11 by 120. That is equal to minus 1 by 40. Negative sign means it is used to empty the tank, not to fill the tank. Now, as it is given that in 1 minute it can empty 3 gallons, that means volume of 1 by 40 part equals to 3 gallons. Hence, the total volume will be 3 into 40, that is equal to 120 gallons.